what is my Apple ID? Hey, what's up you guys? It's Meryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing my birthday gift and it is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I actually got my birthday gift from my boyfriend. Usually I would have bought it by myself, but I think he thought that it was the perfect gift for me, and right now I'm actually using an iPhone 8, so it's really the perfect time to upgrade. And also the pre-selling or like the pre-order date was really the day before my birthday, so it was really perfect. So this is what's inside the box, and I actually chose the color gold. Well, it's what I wanted to buy, and that's actually what Claude got me. So that was really sweet. So let's peel the front off. So this is the phone, and with the phone you actually have a lightning cable. So now I'm gonna put in the SIM and set it up.
Wonderful idea I had once.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
So right now I'm going to set up my Face ID. And now I have to set up my passcode.
Baby, what have I done?
So now I'm just setting up my Apple ID. Forgot my Apple password. I forgot my Apple password. You never type it anymore because of the Touch ID. Wait. Apple password is incorrect. Man, what is my Apple ID?
Oh, that reminds me of a wonderful
I'll forget
idea.
password and make a new one because I don't know anymore. Guys, don't forget your Apple ID. That's not very smart, okay? So I'm at the terms and conditions because I skipped the Apple ID part, and I will set it up later when I remember. But don't do that, guys. Like, you can lock your iPhone because you forgot your Apple ID. Don't be like me. So actually, you can choose the appearance on your screen. You can either choose dark mode or light mode, which is the same as the other older iPhones. And then you can have it standard or zoomed, but I prefer it standard. So let's go with that. Welcome to iPhone. This is such a fail unboxing. I'm so disappointed in myself. I'm getting shakes of disapproval from my boyfriend because he thinks that I'm a very bad vlogger. Okay, I changed my password. Let's do this. So I'm signing into iCloud finally. So anyway, while that's happening, I'm just gonna put this down and I am going to open this because this is my case. It up apparently. Yeah, see? I'm a good unboxer. So yeah, it's really just a clear case. And this is from MagSafe.
Wonderful idea I had once.
So normally when I have an iPhone, I prefer setting it up with an assistive touch and all of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. If you guys don't know, assistive touch is basically like that small circle that appears on your screen. So I'm just going to set up my control center because I have specific apps that I like putting into my assistive touch and my control center. So I think I'm gonna add my screen recording and voice memo. So I will screen record right now so you guys know what I'm doing.
Tell me,
So the first thing that I want to try is the camera because that's really why I got this. So oh my god, it's very obvious. Like you can see my flyaways. I'm not a tech channel, guys. Okay, please manage your expectations. That's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching and till my next vlog.